Hey guys, I'm going to give you a tutorial on this eye look that I did using the BH Cosmetics 90s palette. It's got all these really pretty pastel colors in it, and this look is perfect for Easter. You're going to start by taking a brush similar to this one, and you're going to take this peachy color right here. It is called Can't Touch, and you're going to put it right here above your crease and pack it on. If you need more color, go ahead and add a little bit at a time. Pack it a little bit above your crease. Mine is slightly hooded, so I do bring it up above just a little bit. Once you get it packed on, take another fluffy brush and just go around the edges and blend it out so it's nice and smooth. Now, taking a flat brush that's like this one, it's kind of round and it's flat. You're gonna take some concealer. I usually put it on the back of my hand, and then just a little bit at a time, cut your crease. And then once you do that, make sure it is going up above your actual crease, so when your eyes are open, you can still see where the new crease is that you made. You can still see all the colors. And then I usually just take my finger and tap on it and then blend out this edge over here, because you're only going to go about halfway and then tap it to blend it. Once you did that, you're going to take that same flat brush and you're going to take this shimmer green color. It is called La Vida Loca, and you're going to pack that onto this inner corner of that crease that you just created. This color is super bright, so about that far. After the green, I like to use one of these little spongy things just to clean off the brush, because you're going to use that same brush and you're going to take the next color, which is this shimmer pink, Show Me Love, and you're going to do the same exact thing, but you're going to start where this green left off, and you're not going to go all the way to the end, but you're going to go like right here in the middle and kind of tap on the edge of that green just to kind of blend it in as you go. And add a little bit more if you feel like you need more. It should end up looking something like that. And then you're going to do the same thing. You're going to take this color purple, it's called Creep, and you're going to pack that on the brush, and then you're going to pack it onto this outer corner. And once again, you're going to tap along that edge until it looks blended, so it blends into the pink. Once you finish that, you should be left with something like this. They look nice and even and blended. Now I'm just going to take my felt tip liner and create my wing. Okay, so now that you have your wing, for the lower lash line, you're going to use a brush like this. It's still kind of fluffy, but it is flat. And we're going to take this color called Genie. It's a light pastel blue. And you're just going to bring that through your whole lower lash line. And just pack it on. And then we're going to take this blue shimmer called I'm Blue, and using the same brush, you're just going to take that and start on the inner corner and put that on top. Just to give it a little more shimmer and make it pop. And if it looks crazy, it's fine, it'll come together. This step is optional, but I am going to take some of this blue glitter, and this one does not need glue, but it's kind of blue and it shimmers a green color, and I'm going to put it on top of this blue with a splat brush that we used for our crease. And I'm just going to like tap it on because, like I said, it doesn't need glue. It is totally optional. You don't have to add the glitter if you don't want to. But you're gonna tap it on and smooth it out. Now, for the waterline, I'm going to use this Maybelline Eye Studio pencil for my waterline. It is pastel. So you're gonna put that all over your waterline, and it's gonna make your eyes pop a little bit more. Almost done. Once that's done, taking this flat brush one more time after I wiped the glitter off of it, I'm going to be taking this white shimmer color called Supermodel, and I'm going to bring it to the inner corner of my eye just to highlight it. So you just tap it on and slowly blend that out. Bring it up a little bit, and it just makes the inner corner of your eye pop a little bit. And now we just gotta add mascara and lashes. For lashes, I'm going to be using these Ardell Demi Whispies. So let me put those on and I'll be right back. Here's the finished look. If you guys found this helpful and you enjoyed my video, please like and follow. It is greatly appreciated, and I'll see you next time.